So dear students, next we'll move on to the questions part. Next in the previous session we have seen what is the binary semaphore and counting semaphore, and we have seen the down and up operation. So now we are going to solve the various questions based on binary semaphore or counting semaphore, whatever we will mention in the question. So based on the down and up operations, we are going to solve the various gate questions. Remember, we will solve around 5 to 6 gate questions in the continuation. So every question, so you please copy the question sincerely, and let me explain the question. I will explain. You can solve now, you can proceed, so then you can solve the question. Now, so first this is the question given to you. I have written the question already on the board, so I will just read first. Don't write, just read. I am just reading, just listen only. Each process Pi I equal to 1 to 9 executes the following code. It means what? P1 to P9 are executing this code while true down of mutex. Look at here, P of mutex. So P means what? Down operation. So down of mutex and critical section, and this is up of mutex. And the process P10 execute the following code while true up of mutex and critical section and up of mutex. So what is the maximum number of processes that may present inside the critical section at any point of time? इनिशियल वैल्यू ऑफ बाइनरी सेमाफोर म्यूटेक्स. इनिशियल वैल्यू क्या दिया? म्यूटेक्स का वैल्यू 1 दिया, एंड क्या बोल रहा है वो? बाइनरी सेमाफोर बोल रहा है. सो आई विल एक्सप्लेन द क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन अभी मैं बस रीड किया था आपको समझने के लिए. बाद में मैं क्वेश्चन एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. थोड़ा समझाऊंगा. पहला क्वेश्चन है, उसके बाद आपको सॉल्व करना है. पहले अभी अच्छे से कॉपी करो. मैं पूरा साइड हो जा रहा हूं. पास करो, वीडियो पास करके अच्छे से पूरा कॉपी करो. Copy the question properly, and options are given to you. Here is the options. Copy the question. Right. So you can still pause. अगर अभी भी कॉपी नहीं किया तो अभी भी पास करके कॉपी करो. Right. Now I will explain the question. पहले सुनो, अभी मैं थोड़ा क्वेश्चन को समझाता हूँ. I am assuming all of you copied the question. So first, listen here. So I am explaining the question. Just listen here. उसके बाद solve करो. Each process Pi I equal to 1 to 9 executes the following code. So it means what? P1 to P9 are executing this code. Now what is the code he has given? While true. While true is the infinite condition. Down of mutex. Down of mutex. Look at here, P of mutex. See, first of all, what is mutex? Mutex is just a binary semaphore, name of the variable, right? So anything where a variable name कुछ भी हो सकता है. Semaphore variable mutex दिया. Initial value of binary semaphore mutex equal to 1. So while true is infinite condition, down of mutex. Now binary semaphore का down operation है. If it is successful down operation, then the process will enter into what? Critical section. So it will make use of the shared resources here, and once it is completed the critical section, while leaving the critical section, you are saying what? Up of mutex. So this is the code of the P1 to P9, P1 to P9 code. This is the code of the process P1 to P9. So P1 to P9 executing this code. The process P10 execute the following code. पहले सुनो अच्छे से, बाद में कॉपी करो, बाद में सॉल्व करो. कॉपी करना हो गया आपका. So the process P10 execute the following code while true is infinite condition. First you are saying up of mutex, and then it will enter into critical section, and once it is completed the critical section, while leaving the critical section you say up of mutex. So this is the code of the process P10. Now remember, he has given while true here, while true here. While true means what? While true means simple, it can execute any number of times. कितने बार भी schedule हो सकता है. That is the meaning of that. So इसका मतलब P1 to P9 कितने बार भी आ सकते, कितने बार भी जा सकते. They can come any number of times and they can leave any number of times. And remember, if you are executing this up of mutex, it means what? Process is leaving the critical section. बाहर जा रहा है. अगर आप इसको चला रहे हैं तो process को अंदर ही रख रहा है, तो that is wrong analysis. And same thing here also, while true है. While true means what? P10 कितने बार भी आ सकता है, कितने बार भी जा सकता है. It can come any number of times and it can go any number of times. So that is the meaning of this while true. And so now here is a critical section. Now understand here, don't think like we are having two different critical sections. Remember, we are having only one critical section, but what is different is P1 to P9 using different code and P10 is using different code. P1 to P9 using different code and P10 is using different code. Now what is the question is asking? Okay, because it is the first question है, मैं थोड़ा okay start करके दिखा रहा हूँ, okay explain कर रहा हूँ. From next question onwards I will not explain the question also. Okay, question copy करूँगा, आपको solve करना है, right? So what is the question is asking? What is the maximum number of processes that may present? What is the maximum number of processes that may present inside the critical section at any point of time? See, indirectly simply asking what is the maximum number of processes, how many processes can be in the critical section at any point of time. Now remember, if you want to find out the correct solution, if you want to write the correct solution, अगर आप सही solution बनाना चाह रहे हैं, सही solution, if you want to make the correct solution, now tell me inside the critical section how many processes should be present? Inside the critical section only one process should present inside the critical section if you want to make the correct solution. But remember, this is not the correct solution, this is just a question. So don't think in that manner, don't think in that manner. Critical section में तो एक ही process होना चाहिए, तो इसमें क्या है? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. Okay, सही implementation में, सही solution में एक process होना चाहिए. Question में तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. It is just a question only, right? So don't think in that manner. Okay, so you need to think. आपको क्या सोचना है? You need to think in such a way. So which process you should bring first? किसको पहले चलाना है, किसको बाद में चलाना है, किसके बाद क्या करना है, क्या करे तो, कैसे करे तो, ओके कैसे चलाए तो मैक्सिमम प्रोसेसेस एक साथ में क्रिटिकल सेक्शन के अंदर ला सकते हैं. So in what way you have to execute the processes so that you can bring maximum processes into the critical section, that you need to think logically, right? So now, okay, what is said? Initial value of the binary semaphore, okay, mutex is 1 and options are given to you. What is the options given to you? A is 2 and B is 3 and 9, 10 and E also option is also given, that is 1. Okay, so how to solve the problem? I'll just okay show you the starting analysis. मैं थोड़ा start करके दिखाता हूँ. So in the analysis, so just listen here. So I am writing, I have the space here. Okay, so in the analysis, initial value of mutex is 1. So I am writing the solution here, right? Initial value of mutex is 1 and there is no process present inside the critical section. Okay, so inside the critical section nobody is there. So listen here, you can start with any process. किसी को भी पहले चला सकते हैं, किसी को भी बाद में चला सकते हैं, no problem. Okay, बस इतना ही सोचना है कि किसको पहले चलाया, किसको बाद में चलाया, किसके बाद किसको चलाए, तो मैक्सिमम प्रोसेस एक साथ में CS के अंदर ला सकते हैं. So that is how you have to think. Okay, so first now listen here. So I am starting with the P1. मैं थोड़ा स्टार्ट करके दिखा रहा हूँ, पूरा नहीं समझा रहा हूँ, थोड़ा स्टार्ट करके दिखा रहा हूँ. So P1 को स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ. While true is infinite condition, down of mutex. Listen here. So this is a binary semaphore down operation. Binary semaphore down operation. Okay, I think all of you remember that. Down of mutex. So binary semaphore down operation. So if the value semaphore value is 1, so you make it to what? Okay, 0. Very good. You make it to 0. Now tell me, it's a successful or unsuccessful down operation? Successful down operation. Very good. So if it is successful down operation, then only you continue the execution. Okay, down operation agar successful hai, then only you continue execution. So down operation is successful. So now P1 will come into what? Critical section. So I am writing here. So P1 is coming into critical section. Don't copy anything. Okay, just listen. So P1 has come to the critical section. P1 aya. Abhi now what is the mutex value? Now tell me. Mutex value 0. Now if you try for the process P2, is that possible? Okay, look at here. P2 ko chalao. While true, down of mutex. So when you say down of mutex, what is the mutex value now? 0. So on 0, if you perform down operation, so successful or unsuccessful? Unsuccessful. क्या हो जाएगा वो? Suspended list में जाएगा. So don't think about the process P2. अगर प्रोसेस P2 के बारे में सोच रहे हैं तो क्या हो जाएगा? वो सस्पेंड हो जाएगा. तो P2 के बारे में नहीं सोचना है. सो नाउ यू नीड टू थिंक. ओके, आपको ऐसा सोचना है नेक्स्ट अभी क्या करना है, कैसे चलाना है, किसके बाद किसको चलाए तो मैक्सिमम प्रोसेसेस एक साथ में क्रिटिकल सेक्शन के अंदर ला सकते हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. इज दैट क्लियर? सो नाउ ओके, सो नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज यूअर्स. नाउ आई हैव गिवन द हिंट. मैं थोड़ा स्टार्ट करके दिखाया आपको, क्वेश्चन तो सॉल्व आपको ही करना है, राइट. सो दीज आर द ऑप्शंस गिवन टू यू. ऑप्शन ए 2, 3, 9 and 10 and 1. ओके, सो थिंक केयरफुली. पॉज माय वीडियो. क्वेश्चन कॉपी किया सब लोग? पॉज माय वीडियो. इधर सुनो, मेरे को 1 मिनट सुनो. गलत भी हो सही हो, ओके राइट, आपको सॉल्व तो करना ही करना है. ओके, सो आपको चेक करना पड़ेगा आप कैसे किए थे और मैं कैसे कर रहा हूँ, क्या इंप्रूवमेंट करना है. सो खाली वीडियो देख के ओके ऐसे ही टाइम पास मत करो. ओके, सो डोंट ओके कंटिन्यू द वीडियो. पॉज माय वीडियो, सिंसियरली ट्राई टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. आई विल वेट अराउंड 5-10 सेकंड्स इन द लाइव. ओके, पास करो, वीडियो पास करके कंटिन्यू करो, सॉल्व करो क्वेश्चन. Right. So now look at here. So I'll explain that. So I am assuming all of you solved. So let's see what is the right answer. कितने लोगों का आया? थोड़ा सीरियस हो रहा हूँ क्या? Okay, sorry. Right. Okay, understand. So आप डेडिकेशन होना चाहिए, आप सिंसियरली सॉल्व करना है, इसलिए. So there is nothing other intention. So please. Okay, understand here. So right answer is okay. So D for Delhi. So D is the right answer. Okay. So D is the right answer. Maximum 10 process can be in the critical section at any point of time. Now, okay, how 10 is the right answer? Okay, देखते कितने लोगों का सही हुआ, कैसे सोचे थे आप लोग. So first, I am explaining. So mutex value is 1. Nobody is there in the critical section. Nobody is there in the critical section. Now first, P1 is coming into critical section. P1 is coming. So while true, down of mutex. So when you say down of mutex, so this becomes 1 to 0. 1 to 0, successful down operation, and it will enter into what? A critical section. So now understand here. So P1 is coming into critical section. Now P1 has come into critical section. Now P1 is in the critical section. Now let your P1 be in the critical section. Let your P1 be in the critical section. P1 को CS में रखे. अभी अगर P2 के बारे में सोचेंगे तो क्या होगा बताओ? P2 will be what? Suspended. So you cannot think about the P2. So don't think about the P2. अगर P2 चलाएंगे तो सस्पेंड हो जाएगा. सो P2 के बारे में मत सोचो. सो अभी किसके बारे में सोचना है? P10. ओके, अगर P10 अभी CS के अंदर आना चाह रहा है तो क्या होगा? सो इफ द P10 इज ट्राइंग टू एंटर, सो व्हाट हैपेंस हियर? सो व्हाइल ट्रू इनफाइनाइट कंडीशन, up of mutex. So when you say up of mutex, okay, look at here, up of mutex code binary semaphore up operation. What is the code in the up operation code? If the suspender list is empty, you make semaphore value to 1. Now suspender list is empty. True or false? True. अभी तो कोई suspended process है नहीं, right? So there is no suspended process. So you make semaphore value to what? 1. So look at here. So now you make mutex value to 1. Now tell me. So up operation is successful or unsuccessful? Up operation is always successful. Okay, there is no unsuccessful up operation. So it will process will definitely continue the execution. So now P10 is coming into critical section. Now understand here. So process P10 coming into critical section. Now ध्यान से सुनो अच्छे से. अभी P10 CS के अंदर आ चुका है. P10 CS के अंदर आ चुका है. Now what is the mutex value? What is the mutex value? 1. Now if you try for the P2 now, is that possible? Yes. So you can comfortably bring process P2 now. So P2, look at here, while true, down of mutex. So look at here, so it becomes 1 to 0, and okay, successful down operation, and P2 coming into critical section. And next, what is the mutex value now? 0. Now if you try for P3, is that possible? Not possible. So अभी क्या आइडिया आना चाहिए? अभी P3 को अगर ला रहा है तो सस्पेंड हो जाएगा. So don't think about P3 now. So now think about what? P10. Now if the P10 is leaving the critical section, ये आइडिया आपको आना चाहिए. ये आइडिया आपको आना चाहिए. So P10 is leaving the critical section. So when the P10 is leaving the critical section, so what happens here? So listen here. So P10 is leaving the critical section. You say up of mutex. So when you say up of mutex, so mutex value becomes 0 to 1. So same thing. up operation का code suspend list अभी empty है तो semaphore value क्या होगा? 1 होगा. Right. So now mutex value 1 हो गया. Now P10 is लीविंग द क्रिटिकल सेक्शन. देखो P10 को मैं हटा दिया, यहाँ से P10 को हटा दिया. ओके, सो P10 इज लीविंग द क्रिटिकल सेक्शन. And the next, now what is the mutex value now? Mutex value क्या है बताओ? 1. If you try for P3, is that possible? Yes. So P3 will say down of mutex. Okay, look at here, down of mutex. Mutex value becomes 1 to 0, and P3 will enter into critical section. Now what is the mutex value now? 0. Now if you try for P4, is that possible? No, not possible. So again you have to think about what? Now you should get idea. Again P10 is again coming into critical section now. Already I told you important point. So while true here, while true means what? It can come into critical section any number of times and it can go any number of times. वो कितने बार भी आ सकता है, कितने बार भी जा सकता है, ऑलरेडी बता चुका. राइट, सो आपको ये आइडिया आना चाहिए. अगर P10 दोबारा अंदर आ रहा है, ओके, अगर दोबारा शेड्यूल होकर दोबारा से इसके अंदर आया तो क्या होगा? इफ इट इज कमिंग अगेन इनटू क्रिटिकल सेक्शन, सो यू से अप ऑफ म्यूटेक्स. सो म्यूटेक्स वैल्यू बिकम्स 0 to 1. And okay, up operation is always successful. Okay, here up operation always successful and it will enter into critical section. Now P10 is again coming into critical section. Now what is the mutex value? 1. Now if you try for P4, is that possible? Yes. So P4 will say down of mutex. Now same thing, down of mutex, mutex value becomes 1 to 0. Now look at here, successful down operation and it will enter into critical section. Look at here, so now P4 is coming into critical section. Now what is the mutex value now? 0. Now if you try for P5, is that possible? No, not possible. So now you need to think about what? Again same P10. So if the P10 is again leaving the critical section, so you say what? Up of mutex. So when you say up of mutex, so it becomes 1 and again P10 is leaving the critical section. देखो यहाँ पे हटा दिया, P10 बाहर चले गया. Now what is the mutex value? 1. If you try for P5, is that possible? Same. So same thing, in the same manner, if the P10 is entering into critical section and leaving the critical section, and remember while entering and while leaving, it is keep on making the mutex value to what? 1. So while entering into critical section, while leaving critical section, it's keep on making the mutex value to 1. And remember, if the mutex value becomes 1, and it will have a chance for all the processes to come into critical section at the same time. So that is the reason. So right answer is what? 10. ओके, रिपीट कर रहा हूं फिर से. अगर P10 CS के अंदर आ रहा है, जा रहा है, ओके, कितने अंदर आ रहे हैं, जा रहा है, तो क्या होगा? आते समय में, जाते समय में क्या कर रहे हैं? म्यूटेक्स वैल्यू को 1 कर रहे हैं. सो अगर म्यूटेक्स वैल्यू को 1 करते जा रहा है तो क्या होगा? सो इट विल ब्रिंग ऑल द प्रोसेसेस इनटू द क्रिटिकल सेक्शन, ओके, एट द सेम टाइम. इज दैट क्लियर? सो ये आइडिया आपको आना चाहिए. सो दैट इज हाउ यू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. सो राइट आंसर इज व्हाट? 10. ओके, नेक्स्ट. सो इफ यू वांट टू कॉपी, ओके, you can copy, pause my video. Right. So next, listen carefully. Next, in the same question, I am slightly modifying this same question. Mutex value is 1. Mutex value is 1. Now think carefully and solve. Okay, right? Okay, इधर सुनो अच्छे से. Same question, same options. Okay, I am changing here. देखो यहाँ पे change कर रहा हूँ. So I am changing here. Okay, in the P10. So it was up of mutex here. So I am saying okay, this is a P of mutex. This is a P of mutex. देखो यहाँ पे up of mutex था, यहाँ पे P of mutex किया. So same question, same options. Okay, so think carefully and answer. Okay, I'll wait 5 seconds in the live. 5-10 seconds. Pause करो, वीडियो pause करो, solve करो. Okay, right. Now let's see. Okay, what is the right answer? So let's see right answer. आया सबको right? So right answer is B. B is the right answer. So maximum we can have the 3 processes. So how 3 processes? Okay, look at here. अभी भी किसी को गलत आया, कुछ लोग अभी भी सोच रहे हैं 10 आएगा. Okay, wrong answer. So listen here. So 3. Now first of all, same thing. You can start with any process first. Any process. So I am starting with the P1 से स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ. while true down of mutex. But when you say down of mutex, it becomes 1 to 0, successful down operation. So P1 is coming into critical section. Now P1 has come to the critical section. So P1 is coming into critical section. Now, okay, now what is the mutex value? 0. So if you try for P2, is that possible? No, not possible. Now if you try for P10, is that possible? Yes. Now understand here, so if you try for P10 here, so you say up of mutex, so mutex value becomes 0 to 1 and up operation is always successful and it will enter into critical section. So P10 abhi CS ke andar hai. Now what is the mutex value now? 1. Now if you try for P2, is that possible? Yes. Now P2 will comfortably enter while true down of mutex. So when you say down of mutex, okay, it becomes 1 to 0, successful down operation and P2 will enter into critical section. So P2 has come to the critical section. So now what is the mutex value now? 0. Now tell me, if you try for P3, is that possible? No, not possible. So in case if the P10 is leaving critical section, अगर P10 बाहर जा रहा है तो क्या होगा? You say down of mutex. So what is the mutex value? 0. So if the P10 is leaving critical section, so you make okay down of mutex. So again that will become what? It will be suspended. So when you say down of mutex, that will be unsuccessful and okay, so okay, the process will be suspended. So it means maximum you can have how many processes here? Okay, 3 processes only. Now remember small point. So if the P2, okay, P2 is leaving the critical section. Listen carefully. P2 is leaving the critical section. Process P2 is leaving the critical section. तो क्या होगा? P2 अगर बाहर जा रहा है तो you say what here? Up of mutex. If the P2 is leaving critical section, you say up of mutex. ध्यान से सुनो अच्छे से, ध्यान से सुनो मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ. P2 अगर बाहर जा रहा है तो you say up of mutex. Okay, it becomes 1 here and P10 को हटा दिया. P10 is leaving critical section. Now what is the mutex value now? 1. Now if you try for P3, is that possible? Yes. Now mutex value 1. If you try for P3, you say down of mutex. Look at here, down of mutex, it becomes 1 to 0, successful down operation and it will enter into critical section. Now look at here, so P3 is coming into critical section. So it means what? What you understood now? What you understood? So okay, critical section के अंदर, inside the critical section, the processes may change. Like P3 may go out of the critical section, and again P4 may come, and P1 can go out of the critical section, and the P5 can come. Okay, now remember, CS के अंदर process change हो सकता है, मगर maximum you can have how many processes in the critical section? Only 3 processes in the critical section at any point of time. So maximum you can have only 3 processes. So that is the reason. So right answer is what? B. B is the right answer. I think it is clear for you. Right. Okay. Next. So I am changing. Okay, the question again. Small change once again. Okay. So mutex value is 1 and nobody is there in the critical section. So listen carefully. Nobody is there in the critical section. So mutex value 1, nobody is there in the critical section. Now I am changing here both the places. Think carefully and tell me both the places. So here is down of mutex. Here is up of mutex. Here is a down of mutex. Here is a up of mutex. Okay. So the same code, same options. Think carefully and answer. Okay, it's a down of mutex, P of mutex and up of mutex. So same question, same options. Think carefully and answer. Pause my video. Right. So okay, you can continue. Now so what is the right answer? Right answer is okay, E. So ज़्यादा सोचा है कुछ लोग, right? Okay. Now understand here, very simple, right? Why you are worried? देखो, see here also you are having down of mutex. Here also you are having down of mutex. Okay. Then what happens? Okay, either it will be successful for here and either it will be successful for here, या तो यहाँ पे सक्सेसफुल होगा या तो यहाँ पे सक्सेसफुल होगा. So it means what? Only one process will enter into critical section at any point of time. या तो P1 में से P1 to P10 में कोई भी एक प्रोसेस आ सकता है या तो P10 आ सकता है. ओके, सो वन बाय वन दे कैन एंटर एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, ओनली वन प्रोसेस. इज इट क्लियर? सो एक प्रोसेस आया, जब तक वो बाहर नहीं जाएगा तब तक दूसरा प्रोसेस नहीं आएगा. इज इट क्लियर? सो ओनली वन प्रोसेस विल कम इनटू क्रिटिकल सेक्शन एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. देखो इतना सिंपल है. यहाँ पे डाउन अप म्यूटेक्स, अप अप म्यूटेक्स, डाउन अप म्यूटेक्स, अप अप म्यूटेक्स ही है. यहाँ पे भी डाउन अप करो, यहाँ पे भी डाउन अप करो, सेम थिंग. व्हाट हैपेंड हियर? Only one process will enter into critical section at any point of time. So if you want to write the correct solution now, if you want to write the correct solution to synchronize the processes to access the common critical section, it is very easy by using what? Semaphore operations. Like okay, you can see here now, यहाँ पे भी डाउन अप लगाओ, यहाँ पे भी डाउन अप लगाओ. सिंपल, एक ही प्रोसेस क्रिटिकल सेक्शन के अंदर आता है, तो इट मीन्स व्हाट? म्यूचुअल एक्सक्लूजन इज satisfied. And next, when the critical section is free, definitely the process will come into critical section, so the progress is satisfied. And next, obviously you maintain the okay suspended list में से अगर कोई प्रोसेस क्रिटिकल सेक्शन में है, okay, दूसरा प्रोसेस ट्राई करता है, क्या होगा? सस्पेंड लिस्ट में जाएगा. तो ऑब्वियसली सस्पेंड लिस्ट में कैसे वेकअप होगा? फर्स्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट से होगा. कैसे वेकअप होगा? दूसरा क्वेश्चन में मैं बताऊंगा. ऑब्वियसली यू आर फॉलोइंग फर्स्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट, सो इट मीन्स व्हाट? बाउंडेड वेटिंग इज ऑल्सो सेटिस्फाइड. सिंपल. इफ यू वांट टू राइट द करेक्ट सॉल्यूशन टू सिंक्रोनाइज प्रोसेस, डाउन अप लगाओ तो एक ही प्रोसेस जाएगा. सिंपल, इतना ही लिख सकते हैं. सिंपल कोड देखो, डाउन ऑफ एस, ओके, क्रिटिकल सेक्शन, ओके, अप ऑफ एस, लेट्स से एस इक्वल टू 1, बाइनरी सेमाफोर, दैट्स इट. सो दिस इज द करेक्ट सॉल्यूशन टू सिंक्रोनाइज द प्रोसेसेस फॉर द n प्रोसेसेस. आप कितने भी प्रोसेस ले लो, ओके, सो दिस विल वर्क ओके फॉर ऑल द प्रोसेस. ओके, इट एंश्योर्स म्यूचुअल एक्सक्लूजन satisfied, progress satisfied, bounded waiting satisfied. So this is the correct solution to synchronize the process. अगर correct solution करना है तो it's very easy. Is that clear? Right. Okay. If you want to make, okay, you can just copy this. Okay, correct solution for n processes. Okay, correct solution. Correct solution for n processes. Correct solution for n processes, s equal to 1. Okay, so down of s, critical section, up of s. Okay, copy करो, साइड में copy करो, take it as note, take it as a note. Correct solution for n processes, s equal to 1. So down of s here and critical section, up of s. So that's it. So please copy that. Right, so don't worry, so slowly you will understand how these up and down operations are working. So slowly you will improve the logic. So first time if you are not able to solve the question, so please don't panic. Right, ये हटा दे रहा हूँ. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Note down the next question. All are gate questions only, remember. So this is also gate question, so I am just writing here. Note down the question. Consider two concurrent processes, P and Q, executing their respective codes. Consider two concurrent process, P and Q, executing their respective codes. Process P code So this is a process P code and this is the process Q code. While true, okay, blank here, print 0 WX, okay, blank. Process Q code, while true, WX, so Y blank, print 1, okay. So it's a process P code and it's a process Q code. Now what is the question is asking? Okay, please copy this. What should be the binary semaphore? Operations on WXYZ respectively, and what must be the initial values of binary semaphore S and T in order to get print output always as, in order to get print output always as 0011 0011 00 like this, okay, 0011 0011 0011 like that, okay. That is a question. S equal to 1, T equal to 0, and option C. So it's a down of T, up of S, down of S, up of T. So S equal to 1, T equal to 0. Okay, so down of S, up of T, okay, down of T, up of S, okay. So that is a question given to you. सो थिंक केयरफुली एंड ट्राई टू कॉपी द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली. क्वेश्चन को ठीक से कॉपी करो. What's the binary semaphore operations on these blanks w x y z respectively, and what must be the initial values of binary semaphore s and t in order to get print output always as 0011 0011 like that. Okay, so think carefully and solve the question. So I'll wait around 10 seconds in the live. So please pause करो, वीडियो पास करो, वीडियो पास करके क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो. I'll wait around 10 seconds in the live. Right, so now understand here. So I am assuming okay all of you tried. If anybody is still not solved, please pause my video. Okay, right, so let's try to solve the problem. So what should be the approach of this question and what is asking? So consider two concurrent processes P and Q executing their respective codes. So this is the code of the process P here and this is the code of the process Q here. So we see the process P code while true. Okay, W you are having blank and it's printing 0 and printing 0, simple, and X you are having blank. So process Q code if you see while true, so you are having blank here and printing 1 and Z okay you are having blank. So ये आपको ये पूछ रहा है कि ये blanks में क्या होना चाहिए, what should be the okay values in the blanks, okay, so that the okay print output will always like this. Okay, listen here. What should be the binary semaphore operations on W X Y Z? So what should the binary semaphore operations on this W X Y Z respectively, and what must be the initial values of binary semaphore S and T in order to get print output? Understand here, in order to get print output always इतना अच्छा दिया, always as 0011 0011, हमेशा आउटपुट 0011 0011 यही चाहिए, हमेशा आउटपुट 00 से ही स्टार्ट होना चाहिए, हमेशा आउटपुट अगर 00 से ही स्टार्ट होना चाहिए तो इसका मतलब प्रोसेस Q जो है प्रोसेस Q पहले नहीं चलना चाहिए, प्रोसेस Q जो है वो पहले नहीं चलना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर प्रोसेस Q पहले चल गया तो क्या प्रॉब्लम होगा, 11 पहले प्रिंट होगा, यस और नो, राइट. सो प्रोसेस Q पहले नहीं चलना चाहिए, अगर प्रोसेस Q पहले नहीं चलना चाहिए तो इट मींस द प्रोसेस Q शुड नॉट एग्जीक्यूट फर्स्ट. ओके, सो इट मींस द फर्स्ट टाइम द डाउन ऑपरेशन हियर, the first time down operation here okay should not be successful, पहली बार डाउन ऑपरेशन यहाँ पे सक्सेसफुल नहीं होना चाहिए. Now let's look at the option A here. Option A, what is says here? Okay, look at here. Down of T. यहाँ पे क्या है देखो. What is there here? In this down of T here. Down of T. So what's the T value here? 1. T value 1. So down of T and T value 1. Successful or unsuccessful? Successful. So if we go with the option A, so first time 1 print होने का chance है. तो option A is the wrong answer. Right, now let's go with option B here. Okay, look at here. So what is given here? Down of S and S equal to 1. Look at here, S equal to 1, down of S, successful down operation. So first time down operation successful होने का chance है. So option B wrong answer. Next, now coming to the option C here. Okay, down of S, same, S equal to 1. So same, first time down operation successful होने का chance है. तो option C wrong answer. Now next, if you go with the option D here, देखो यहाँ पे down of D, what is the down of T है, so T value क्या है बताओ, 0. So first time successful होगा नहीं होगा, नहीं होगा. So obviously, so first 3 are wrong means obviously what is the right answer pending? Option D is the right answer. एग्जैक्टली है, राइट है. सो ये आइडिया आपको आना चाहिए. ओके, राइट. सो आई विल एक्सप्लेन, आई विल सब्स्टिट्यूट द ऑप्शन डी वैल्यूज and I will explain clearly, okay, how D is the right answer. So don't worry, okay, just listen here. So I am substituting option D here. So down of S, okay, so up of T, okay, so down of T here and up of S, okay. So they are the values given to you, okay. So substitute kiya main. So initial values, tell me what is the initial value. S equal to 1 and T equal to 0. S equal to 1 and T equal to 0. Now tell me, so which one you should execute first? If you try for the process P first, is that possible? Okay, process P first, is that possible? Yes. So only process P possible. If you try for process Q first, is that possible? Okay, not possible. Remember, the scheduling may happen at any point of time. Okay, in any manner, मतलब पहले Q भी execute हो सकता है, schedule हो सकता है, P भी हो सकता है. अगर Q schedule भी हुआ तो execute नहीं होना चाहिए. Exactly. Now, even if you try for process Q here, what happens? While true, down of T, T value 0, and 0 if you perform down operation, it will be what? Unsuccessful, and that will go into what? Wait state. Right. So it means process Q पहले होने का चांस नहीं है. तो कौन सा प्रोसेस पहले चलना चाहिए बताओ? ओके, प्रोसेस P पहले चलेगा. ओके, नाउ एग्जीक्यूट प्रोसेस P while true, down of S. So S value becomes 1 to 0. Successful down operation. So print 0. Now look at here. So look at here. First time 0 print हो रहा है. First time 0 print हो रहा है. And next, okay, print 0 again. So second time 0 print हो रहा है. And next you say up of T. So now T value becomes 1. Now remember, after printing 0 0, again 0 0 is not allowed. After printing 0 0, again 0 0 is not allowed, because what it says, always you want only this output 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. There is no other output required. So after printing 0 0, again 0 0 is not allowed. So if you try for 0 0 again, is it possible or not possible? Not possible. If you again try for 0 0, now look at here, you have to execute this. If you execute this, what happens? Down of S, what is the S value? 0. And 0 if you perform down operation, what happens? It will be suspended. Is the point clear for everyone? Right? So it means after printing 0 0, again 0 0 is not allowed. So obviously you have to execute what only? Process Q here. So now you say down of T. So T value becomes 1 to 0. Successful down operation. Now print 1. So first one print हो रहा है, and again print 1. Second one print हो रहा है, and you say up of S. So S value becomes again 1. Now remember, now you have printed 1 1. After printing 1 1, again 1 1 is not allowed. Again 1 1 is not allowed. If you try for again 1 1, again that is not allowed. So if you try for 1 1 again, so you have to execute this while true, down of T. So what's the T value? 0. And 0 if you perform down operation, what happens? It will be suspended. So after printing 1 1, again 1 1 is not allowed. So you have to, okay, execute only process P here. So down of S, okay, S value becomes 1 to 0. Now again, okay, you are printing 0 and 0, and you say up of T, so T value becomes 1. So it means what you understood now, option D will ensure that will ensure that output will always print only 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. There is no other output possible. Is that clear for everyone? Right. So that is how, okay, you solve the problem. Okay. So you are having one more question on the same data. So it is a common data question asked in the GATE 2003. GATE 2003 asked for total 4 marks, 2 marks and 2 marks. Total 2 questions asked, okay, on the same data. Remember, if your logic is good, logic and understanding of the question is good, you can really solve the problem in less than 1 minute. So बहुत सारे बच्चे होंगे ये क्वेश्चन को less than 1 minute में solve किया होगा, right? So okay, so it depends on your logical skills. Don't worry, slowly it will improve. Okay, डरने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. कुछ लोग डर गए, अभी से डर गए तो कैसे, right? Okay, so okay, don't worry. So slowly you will understand. Don't worry. Okay, next, note down the next question on the same data. Okay, so look at here. So it's the same question. So okay, on same data, one more question. Which of the following which of the following will ensure that the output string never contains, which of the following will ensure that the output string never contains substring of the form 0 1 power n 0 or 1 0 power n 1. Okay. Okay, which of the following will ensure that output string will never contain okay, substring of the form 0 1 power n 0 1 or 1 0 power n 1, okay, where n is odd, okay. इसका मतलब क्या है, 0 1 0 1 0 1 बीच में सबस्ट्रिंग नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, that's it. Okay, note down the options. Okay. So simple, okay, the question, okay, data is same. Now what is the question here? Which of the following will ensure that output string will never contain substring of the form 0 1 power n 0 or 1 0 power n where n is a odd. इसका मतलब simple, 0 1 0 और 1 0 1 बीच में substring नहीं होना चाहिए. So think carefully and answer. So in the option C is using only one variable. Yes sir. Okay, इसको t को use नहीं कर रहा है, so no need to take any tension. Okay, right, that is correct only. Now small hint I want to give you, small hint. Now remember अभी तक जो भी questions किया, okay, what are the questions is solved, you forgot that important point is preemption. So you have to consider that also. Preemption may arise at any point of time after completion of the current instruction. It means what? Preemption may come after this, and 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 preemption may come after this. So that also you should remember while solving the question. So small hint I gave. So actually I should not give this also, okay, but I told you the hint. So please pause my video. Please pause my video and try to solve. Sincerely try to solve the problem. I will wait 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Okay. So let's see. Okay, let's move on to the next. Okay, right answer is what? Simple. Right answer is option C here. Right answer is option C. नाउ ओके यू हैव टू बी लॉजिकल, थोड़ा सोचो अच्छे से, कुछ लोग अभी भी सोच रहे हैं. ओके हाउ सी इज द राइट आंसर, आई विल एक्सप्लेन. सो प्लीज लिसन, ये अच्छे से सुनो इधर. नाउ इफ यू ऑब्जर्व द ऑप्शन ए, व्हाट इज देयर हियर, जस्ट लिसन हियर. ऑप्शन ए डाउन ऑफ एस. ओके हियर व्हाट इज देयर हियर, डाउन ऑफ एस. and what is there here, okay, down of t. Look at here, s equal to 1 and t equal to 1. So here is a down of s and down of t, s equal to 1 and t equal to 1. So okay, यहाँ पे भी सक्सेसफुल है, यहाँ पे भी सक्सेसफुल है. So both are successful here. So down of s and down of t both are successful here. So when both are successful, understand here what happens, output is unpredictable. बोथ आर सक्सेसफुल, द आउटपुट इज अनप्रिडिक्टेबल. देखो ये भी सक्सेसफुल है, ये भी सक्सेसफुल है, तो क्या होगा, ओके आउटपुट में कुछ भी हो सकता है, राइट. तो इसका मतलब क्या होगा, ओके लुक एट हियर. पहले मैं 0 प्रिंट कर सकता हूं, उसके बाद प्रीएम्प्ट करके इधर जा सकता हूं, 1 प्रिंट कर सकता हूं. सो 1 के बाद ओके 0 प्रिंट कर सकता हूं, 1 प्रिंट कर सकता हूं. सी लुक एट हियर. सो 0 1 0 1 पॉसिबल, 1 0 1 0 पॉसिबल, 0 0 1 1 पॉसिबल, 1 1 0 0 पॉसिबल, ओके 0 1 1 0 पॉसिबल, 1 0 0 1 possible. So all combinations are possible because both are successful, the output is unpredictable. Doubt है, okay इधर सुनो, if you are having doubt, okay I will explain. So if you go with option A, why A is a wrong answer, okay, why A is a wrong answer, listen here. Okay, so if you go with option A, I am substituting option A here, down of S, okay here down of S here, and okay up of T here, and what is here, okay down of t and up of s. Okay, so this is given to you, right. So this is a okay option here, substitute kiya. Now tell me, so s equal to 1 and t equal to 1, so that is given to you. Now tell me, you can start with any process, you can start either with this process or either with this process, right. Now understand here, while true down of s. So when you say down of s, now tell me what happens when you say down of s, s value becomes 1 to 0. Successful down operation. Now you are printing 0. Look at here, I am printing first 0. So look at here, so I am printing first 0. Okay, so I write here, so I am printing the first 0, and after printing first 0, assume that process is getting preempted. Already I told you preemption may come at any point of time after completion of the current statement. So after printing first 0, assume that process P is getting preempted. So next time scheduling process Q here, So while true, down of T. So when you say down of T here, okay, T value becomes 1 to 0, successful down operation, and you are printing 1. Look at here, so you are printing 1, देखो 1 printing here. So after printing 1, again you are taking the preemption. After printing 1, again you are taking the preemption here. Now after printing 0, this is got preempted, after printing 1, this got preempted. Now remember, preemption is just a temporary stop. The process will come back and continue the remaining execution. I told you already, preemption is just a temporary stop, process will come back and continue remaining execution. Now remember, when the process P is coming back, now tell me, the process P is coming back, it will say what? It will print the second 0. Now look at this, so printing second 0. Okay, and next the process Q is coming back, it will print the second one here. Now look at here, so it will printing second one. Now look at here, so now process P enters second 0. Okay, next you say up of T, so T value becomes 1, and the process Q printed second one. Now you say up of S, S value becomes 1. Now look at here, so now we completed process P and Q. Look at here, 0 1 0 1 0 1, substring is possible, so option A is a wrong answer. Now you can try the same thing for option B also. Look at here, down of T. Okay, look at here, so T equal to 1, down of T, successful down operation. So down of S, S equal to 1, successful down operation. So this is successful and this is successful, so output is unpredictable. So same output is possible even with the option B. So you do the same manner, so print the 0 and take preemption, print the 1 and take preemption. So same output is possible even with the option B. So option B is a wrong answer. Option B is a wrong answer. Now you can do the same thing for option D also. Look at here, so up of T here, up of T, so T value is 1 and obvious successful, up operation is always successful, no doubt. And next, so here down of S, so S value is 1. So this is successful and this is successful, so both are successful, so same output is possible with option D. So option D is also wrong answer. Now let's go with option C here. Option C में क्या हो रहा है देखो, यहाँ पे भी डाउन ऑफ एस है, यहाँ पे भी डाउन ऑफ एस है, s equal to 1 है. Remember you are using only one variable, either this will be successful or this will be successful. Okay, so अभी भी doubt है किसी को, so if anybody is having doubt, so I'll explain this. डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए, ऑटोमेटिक समझ में आना चाहिए. सो स्टिल इफ एनीबॉडी इज हैविंग डाउट, प्लीज लिसन केयरफुली. Okay, so what is given here? So here also down of s, up of s, and here also down of s and up of s. So this is given to you, and he is using only one variable. Is using only one variable. So s equal to 1. Okay. So understand here what happens with the option C. Now option C also we can start with any processor. Okay, first you can either start with P or Q. Okay, no problem. So first I am starting with the process P. While true, down of S. Now tell me S value becomes 1 to 0. Successful down operation. Now you are printing 0. Let's say you are printing only 1 0. So I am printing the first 0. Only printing 1 0. Let's say after printing 0, assume that it is getting preempted here. Assume that it is getting preempted here. So same thing. प्रीएम्पशन यहाँ पे भी हो सकता है, नो प्रॉब्लम. देखो यहाँ पे ओके, यू टेक प्रीएम्पशन हियर एंड यू ट्राई टू एग्जीक्यूट प्रोसेस क्यू. इज दैट पॉसिबल? नो, नॉट पॉसिबल. लुक एट हियर. सो व्हाइल ट्रू, डाउन ऑफ एस, व्हाट इज एस वैल्यू? 0. S value is 0. So on 0, if you say down operation, what happens here? Suspended. So even if you take preemption, you cannot execute this. So process P will come back and continue. Okay, it will print the second 0, and next you say up of s, so s value becomes 1. And next now you can execute process Q here. While true, down of s, so s value becomes 1 to 0. Now you're printing 1 here, so printing 1. So after printing 1, you take preemption, no problem. After this printing 1, you take preemption and you execute process P. Is that possible? No, not possible. So you say down of s, s value is 0. So okay, process Q is coming back. It will execute the second one here, print the second one. So it will print the second one, and now you say up of s, so s value becomes 1. So means what do you understand here? What do you understand? Option C, okay, will ensure that the output will print either 0 0 or 1 1, or either 1 1 or 0 0, but there is no possibility of altering the output. There is no possibility of altering the output. Now remember, don't think it is very complicated. It is very easy. If your logic is good, you can solve in less than 1 minute. If your logic is good, you can solve in less than 1 minute. You need to understand the sequence of the problems how I am teaching. इससे पहले क्या प्रॉब्लम किए थे? ओके, सेम इसी के बेस पे क्वेश्चन था. इससे पहले क्या प्रॉब्लम था? इससे पहले क्या प्रॉब्लम था? ओनली वन प्रोसेस वाज कमिंग इनटू क्रिटिकल सेक्शन. देखो यहाँ पे P1 to P9 यूजिंग दिस कोड एंड P10 यूजिंग दिस कोड. डाउन ऑफ म्यूटेक्स हियर, एक ही प्रोसेस CS के अंदर आता. इससे पहले क्वेश्चन क्या था? एक ही प्रोसेस. ऑप्शन E वाज द राइट आंसर. ओनली वन प्रोसेस कमिंग इनटू क्रिटिकल सेक्शन. तो इसका मतलब वो सोच से तुमको क्या समझ में आना चाहिए? यहाँ पे भी डाउन ऑफ म्यूटेक्स है, तो यहाँ पे भी डाउन ऑफ म्यूटेक्स है, तो ऑब्वियसली एक ही प्रोसेस क्रिटिकल सेक्शन के अंदर जाएगा. सो इसको देखते ही तुमको समझ में आना चाहिए. सिंपल है, ये भी डाउन ऑफ एस है, ये भी डाउन ऑफ एस है, ये सी इक्वल टू 1 है. तो इसका मतलब या तो इसके लिए सक्सेसफुल होगा या तो इसके लिए सक्सेसफुल होगा. ओके, इट इज एंश्योरिंग म्यूचुअल एक्सक्लूजन. आप समझ सकते हैं इसको क्रिटिकल सेक्शन है. ओके, जैसे एग्जांपल, इसको क्रिटिकल सेक्शन मानो, या तो ये प्रोसेस जाएगा या तो ये प्रोसेस जाएगा. सो ओनली वन प्रोसेस विल कंटिन्यू, मतलब 1 by 1 दे विल एग्जीक्यूट. Is that clear? So इसको देखते ही आपको ये आइडिया आना चाहिए. So this is how you need to solve the problem. Is the point clear? Right. So don't worry. So slowly you improve your logic and analysis. Okay. So next, let's solve the next question. So let's solve the next question. Go to your workbook. So I am assuming all of you received workbook. So go to page number 94. Page number 94, question number 17. I am writing here page number 94, question number 17. 17. Page number 94, question number 17. So 17. Okay, just read the question first. रीड द क्वेश्चन एंड ट्राई टू आंसर. क्वेश्चन पढ़ो, मैं थोड़ा समझाता हूँ. ओके, सो आई एम अज्यूमिंग ऑल ऑफ यू रेड द क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नहीं पढ़े तो थोड़ा पास कर लो. ओके, नाउ अंडरस्टैंड हियर व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द क्वेश्चन ना. थोड़ा मैं समझाता हूँ. 1 मिनट रुको इधर. सॉल्व मत करो, मेरे को सुनो पहले. क्या पूछा है क्वेश्चन में? इन ऑर्डर टू अवॉइड डेडलॉक. क्या पूछा? इन ऑर्डर टू अवॉइड डेडलॉक. ओके, द करेक्ट ऑपरेशन सेट L1 L2 L3 L4. ओके, सो टू अवॉइड द डेडलॉक. सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डेडलॉक? अभी तक मैंने बताया डेडलॉक, थोड़ा ऑलरेडी लिखवाया था. डेडलॉक मीन्स व्हाट? ओके, अंडरस्टैंड हियर. डेडलॉक मीन्स both the processes are suspended. So P1 P2 both are suspended. Nobody is continuing the execution. So that is called as what? Deadlock. Both are getting suspended. See, suspend क्यों होता है कोई भी process? By performing unsuccessful down operation. Is that clear? So दोनों process suspend हो गया, P1 P2, और कोई भी आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा है. So that is called as what? Deadlock. Is that clear? So I gave you the hint. Maximum जितना चाहिए उतना hint दिया. So please solve the problem. मैं जब तक ओके बोर्ड पे लिखूंगा क्वेश्चन. सो पास करो, वीडियो पास करके आप सॉल्व करो. Okay, so if anybody is having doubt, just listen here. So initial value Sx is 1 and Sy is 1. Now what is the right answer? Okay, let's see with the answer. So right answer is what? D. D is the right answer. Okay, understand here. Option D is the right answer. So there is no deadlock in the option D. So in the other options, okay, you have a deadlock. So let's understand here. I'll substitute option A. Why option A is the wrong answer? If anybody is having doubt, okay, अगर कोई अभी भी सॉल्व कर रहा है तो पास करो, राइट. आई एम अज्यूमिंग जब मैं सॉल्यूशन स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ सुनना नहीं है. ओके, राइट. सो अंडरस्टैंड हियर. सो डाउन ऑफ Sy and down of Sx. So this is down of Sx and down of Sy. So I substituted option A. So option A. So this option A here. Okay, fine. So option A is the wrong answer. Option A, you are having deadlock. So why you are having deadlock in the option A? You can start with any process, okay, like P1, P2, right? So first I am starting with the P1. So while true, down of Sy. So let's say down of Sy, it becomes 1 to 0. Successful down operation. Let us say after saying down of Sy, assume that okay, P1 is getting preempted. Assume that P1 is getting preempted. So now you can say execute the process P2 here. Now you say down of Sx, okay, it becomes 1 to 0. So after saying down of Sx, assume that P2 also getting preempted. Now remember both are preempted. So P1, P2 both are preempted. Okay, I told you already preemption is just a temporary stop. So process will come back and continue the remaining execution. So when the P1 is coming back, so it will say what? Down of Sx. So what is the Sx value here? 0. So on 0 if you perform down operation, what happens? It will be suspended. And P2 is coming and you say down of Sy. What is the Sy value? 0. So 0 पे down किया तो क्या होगा? Suspend होगा. So both are suspended. So P1, P2 both are suspended and nobody will continue the execution. And that leads to what? Deadlock. So already important points में fourth point या third point लिखवाया. Two or more processes. 2 or more processes are in the suspended list and there is no other process to wake up these processes, then those processes are said to be involved in the deadlock. Now look at here, so two processes are getting suspended and there is no other process to wake up them, so हमेशा के लिए वो suspend list में ही रहेगा, so that leads to what? Deadlock. Next, now if you go with the option B, actually option B is also same only, right? देखो थोड़ा देखो option B का क्या दिया, option B बस इधर का इधर दिया, इधर का इधर दिया, इतना ही दिया, so somebody is getting option B, very bad, right? So option B कुछ भी नहीं है, same thing, आप यहाँ पे preemption करो, यहाँ पे preemption करो, so same, okay, both will suspend, that leads to deadlock. So option B is also wrong answer. And somebody got option C also, okay, stupid fellows, okay, right? Option C is a okay, very bad option. Option C में कुछ है नहीं, normally चलाओ तो भी deadlock आएगा, yes or no, right? Okay, कुछ लोग हंस रहे हैं, right? So option C में देखो, okay, कुछ भी नहीं है, normally चलाओ तो भी deadlock आएगा, okay, कैसे? Okay, just substitute करो values, okay, क्या दिया? Sx value 1, Sy value 1, so क्या दिया बताओ यहाँ पे? Down of Sx, so again down of Sx, okay. So दोनों डाउन ऑपरेशन कैसे सक्सेसफुल होगा? डाउन ऑफ Sy, so this also down of Sy, okay. Listen carefully, next I will explain the important point, okay. The answer सुनो, प्रोसेस सस्पेंडेड लिस्ट में कैसे जाएगा, कैसे वेकअप होगा, मैं पहली बार बता रहा हूँ, नेक्स्ट ये क्वेश्चन में बता रहा हूँ पहली बार, अभी तक नहीं बताया, सो ध्यान से सुनो अच्छे से, ओके, इसके बाद बताऊंगा। ऑप्शन सी बता रहा हूं पहले, ऑप्शन सी में डाउन ऑफ Sx, देखो फर्स्ट टाइम डाउन ऑफ Sx, ओके, इट बिकम्स 1 to 0, सक्सेसफुल डाउन ऑपरेशन, अगेन यू से डाउन ऑफ Sx, ऑब्वियसली इट विल बी व्हाट? सस्पेंडेड, 0 है, 0 पे डाउन करते सस्पेंड होगा, सो ये यू से डाउन ऑफ Sy, ओके, इट बिकम्स 1 to 0, सक्सेसफुल डाउन ऑपरेशन, एंड अगेन यू से डाउन ऑफ Sy ऑलरेडी 0, सो 0 पे डाउन किया तो सस्पेंड होगा। So both are suspending and nobody will continue execution, and that leads to what? Deadlock. Point clear? Right. So now, okay, option D is the right answer. In the option D, there is no deadlock. Okay, option D में क्या होता है? In the option D, what happens? One process will definitely continue the execution. One process will definitely continue the execution. So दोनों process कभी suspend नहीं होगा। एक प्रोसेस तो हमेशा कंटिन्यू करेगा, ऑप्शन डी में। सो क्या दिया, सब्स्टिट्यूट करो अच्छे से, सो डाउन ऑफ Sx, सो डाउन ऑफ Sy, सो हियर आल्सो सेम, डाउन ऑफ Sx and down of Sy, so I am taking the option D, so this 1 1, okay, right. So देखो अच्छे से सुनो अच्छे से, okay, ऑप्शन डी में क्या हो रहा है? So first you can start with any process, so while true, down of Sx, so let's say down of Sx, okay, it becomes 1 to 0, successful down operation, okay, successful down operation. Let's say after doing this, let's say process P2 को चला रहा है, समझो यहाँ पे भी preemption हो सकता है, you can have preemption here also. Let's say after that, okay, P1 is getting preempted here, and now you execute P2. Now when you say execute P2 here, while true, down of Sx, so what is Sx value? 0. The answer is no. Okay, I have taken the preemption here. P1 क्या हुआ? preempt हुआ, P1 क्या हुआ? preempt हुआ, इसके बाद P2 चला रहा हूँ, so P2 चला रहा हूँ, down of Sx, what is the Sx value? 0. So on 0 you say down operation, what happens? It will be suspended. So every semaphore variable will have its own suspended list. So Sx का suspended list में, Sx का suspended list में कौन जाएगा बताओ? Sx का suspended list में P2 गया। Is that clear? Every semaphore variable will have its own suspended list. Look at here. So P2 यहाँ पे क्या हुआ बताओ? Suspend हो गया। ध्यान से सुनो, P2 यहाँ पे suspend हुआ, मगर P1 यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Preemption हुआ। P2 suspended here, but P1 is preempted here. Now remember, the process which is preempted, it will come back, okay, when it will come back by its own, and it will continue the next statement. But remember, the process which is suspended, to continue this process, अगर जो प्रोसेस सस्पेंड हुआ इसको कंटिन्यू करना है तो क्या होना चाहिए बताओ? दूसरा प्रोसेस अप ऑपरेशन करके इसको वेकअप करना पड़ेगा, तभी तो प्रोसेस P2 कंटिन्यू करेगा। the process which is suspended, if you want to continue this process, some other process should perform up operation and wake up this process, then only it will continue the next statement. Unless and until other process, okay, wakes up this process, it cannot continue the next statement. But remember, which is the process which is preempted, okay, it will come back by its own. जो process preempt हुआ, इसके लिए कोई दूसरा process का कोई help का जरूरत नहीं है. सो प्रोसेस P1 वो अपने आप वापस आएगा, कंटिन्यू करेगा. बताओ अभी. सो प्रोसेस P1 प्रीएम्प्ट हुआ था, प्रोसेस P2 यहाँ पे सस्पेंड हुआ. सो व्हेन द P1 इज कमिंग बैक, इट विल आल्सो सस्पेंड और इट विल कंटिन्यू. When the P1 is coming back, it will also suspend or continue. It will continue because SY value क्या है बताओ? 0. SY value 0. So when you say down of SY, okay, it becomes 1 to 0. 1 to 0. Successful down operation. And next, now you are doing this, okay. Okay, x equal to x plus 1, okay, y equal to 1, y minus 1. So it is not having any meaning. So कुछ तो कर रहे हैं. उसके बाद, okay, it is not having any meaning. कुछ तो ऐसे ही दिया. समझो critical section कुछ भी. So next, now you are saying up of Sx. ध्यान से सुनो अच्छे से, पहली बार बता रहा हूँ, फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग, लिसन केयरफुली. सो लेट्स से अप ऑफ Sx हियर, अप ऑफ Sx, अप ऑपरेशन कोड, लिसन अप ऑपरेशन कोड, binary semaphore, up operation code. Now suspended list is empty, first condition, up operation, suspended list is empty. If the suspended list is empty, you make semaphore value 1. Now tell me suspended list is empty, true or false? False. Okay, suspended list is not empty. Then what happens? You select a process from suspended list and wake up. Now remember I told you, when the process is wake up, what happens? Okay, now it was in the wait state. When the process is wake up, now P2 will come to what? Ready state. Is that clear? It means simple. Okay, it can also start executing. So who will execute first? That depends on short term scheduler. That depends on short term scheduler. इसको उठा के अपन रेडी स्टेट में डाल दिया, तो कौन सा शेड्यूल करेगा वो तो शॉर्ट टर्म शेड्यूलर के ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा, तो कोई भी चल सकता है, नो प्रॉब्लम. Right? So now P2 is wake up. Wake up means it is coming from wait state to ready state. Okay. And remember, listen here. Next, now, okay. So यहाँ पे repeat कर रहा हूँ फिर से. When you say up of mutex, you check suspended list is empty. No, it is not empty. So you wake up the process. Is that clear? Now remember, when the P2 is wake up, when it will come from running wait state to ready state. Remember, when the process P2 will go to the running state. When the process P2 will go to the running state, it will execute from the next statement. नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट मतलब जहां पे सस्पेंड हुआ उसको छोड़ के, वो स्टेटमेंट को छोड़ के नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट से चलाएगा. दैट इज अ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. रिमेंबर, इज अ पॉइंट क्लियर फॉर एवरीवन? जो प्रोसेस को अपन वेकअप किया, वेकअप करना मतलब क्या है? वेट स्टेट में से रेडी में डाल दिया. सो जो प्रोसेस रेडी में आया, जब वो रनिंग स्टेट में शेड्यूल होगा, when the process P2 is scheduled onto the running state, so it will execute from the next statement. So where it is suspended? Here. Okay, remember, it will not execute again down of Sx. It will directly execute what? Down of Sy. So that point you should remember. Okay, listen. Next. Now when you say up of Sx here, up of Sx, okay, you wake up the process P2. Now remember, you wake up the process P2, but remember Sx value still remains 0 only. Sx value still remains 0 only. Yes or no? Suspended list अगर empty है तभी तो semaphore value 1 होगा. Binary semaphore का up operation. ज्यादा टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. जो मैं पूरा कोड अच्छे से दे रखा हूं उसी को फॉलो करना. Is a point clear? Right. So now suspend list भी empty नहीं था. Okay, इसलिए उसको वेकअप किया, मगर semaphore value अभी भी क्या रहेगा? 0 ही रहेगा. Right. So next, now उसके बाद क्या करें बताओ? Next you say what? Now this statement is completed. Now P1 is saying up of Sy. Now when it's up of Sy value becomes 1. Okay. So now P1 is completed total execution. Next, now let us say now P2 is scheduled. Now P2 is scheduled. Then what happens? Now P2 will execute which statement here? This one, down of Sy. So when you say down of Sy, it becomes 1 to 0. Successful down operation. So after this, okay, you are doing this, okay, इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है. And now you say up of Sy. Now Sy value becomes 1. Now you say up of Sx. Now when you say up of Sx suspended is empty or not empty? Empty. Now it is empty. Now Sx value becomes what? 1. Sx value becomes 1. Is it clear for everyone? So in this बहुत सारे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स बताया, अच्छे से याद रखो. कोई किताब से समझ में नहीं आएगा, जो भी समझना है यहीं पे समझना है. कोई भी किताब कुछ भी पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. Is the point clear? Right. So now understand here. Now what happened here? So what you understood in the option D? Option D में क्या होगा? Okay, ये चलेगा, इसके बाद ये चलेगा, ये चलेगा, इसके बाद ये चलेगा. इसका मतलब one by one they will execute. Remember, both the processes will not suspend. दोनों process एक साथ में कभी suspend नहीं होगा. एक process तो हमेशा चलेगा. एक प्रोसेस तो हमेशा चलेगा. Is that clear? So there is no deadlock in the option D. Is that clear? There is no deadlock in the option D. So this is how you need to solve the problem. Is it clear for everyone? Okay, right, fine. Thank you. Next, let's solve the next question. Go to your workbook. Okay, go to your workbook. We'll take up the next question. Same page number 94, question number 16. So this also one of the good question. Question number 16, 1-6. So I'm writing here question number 16, 1-6. Question number 16, 1-6. So that is also important question and a good question. So please pause my video. So I am copying the question. Okay, read the question. Small hint I want to give. Okay, listen here. First, process P0, process P1 and P2. Okay, listen first. Okay, पहले सुनो इधर. P0 code is given in the while true. P0 code is given in the while true. It means what? P0 can execute any number of times. And P1, P2 is given in the normal way. So it means P1 and P2 will execute only once. P1, P2 को सिर्फ एक ही बार चलाना है, but P0 code while true में है, तो P0 can execute any number of times. Okay, that is an important point you should consider. Okay, don't forget. Okay, so pause my video now, you can solve. So he has given release. Release means what? Signal only. Copy this question and okay, try to solve. I'll wait around 10 seconds. Okay, so I think all of you solve the problem. Let's discuss on this. So I told one important point in this question. Okay, you need to consider that P0 code is given in the while true. So it means what? P0 can execute any number of times, but P1, P2 code given normally. So there is no while true. So it means what? P1, P2 will execute only once. Okay, so hope this is clear. So P1, P2 will execute only once. Now let's see what is the right answer. Okay, so shall I reveal the right answer? So right answer is A. A is the right answer. Sorry. Now understand here. Okay, so many people may be getting right answer as A, but you may be doing wrong analysis and getting right answer. Somebody may be doing wrong analysis and getting right answer. So in that case, that is just a luck. Okay, so if your analysis is matching with my analysis, so then it is really the correct thinking. Okay, so let's see what is the right answer. Okay, how you are going to solve. So the answers are say case 1. case 1. So I'm writing here initial value S0 is 1, S1 is 0, so S2 is 0. Okay. Now how many times the process P0 will print up? 0. Okay, that is the question is asking. There is no doubt in the question. Now you can execute them in the any order. So first you have to think how many times it can execute. Now first I am starting with the P0 here. Listen carefully. So I am starting with the P0 first. So when I start with the P0 first, what happens here? While true, wait of S0. So S0 becomes 1 to 0. Successful down operation. Now print 0. Look at here. So first time you are printing 0. And next, okay, signal S1, signal S2. So it becomes 1. It becomes 1. Okay. And next, so after P0, so next I am executing P1. So I am executing P1. Okay, anything you can take. Okay, scheduling may happen at any order. So next I am taking P1. So let's say wait of S1. S1 becomes 1 to 0. Successful down operation. Signal S0. So it becomes 1. Now listen here. So ये दोनों statement को मैं चला दिया तो P1 is completed once. So that's all. So P1 will execute only once. Now it is completed. Next. So after this I am executing P0. Okay. So if I execute P0 here. So while true, wait of S0. So S0 becomes 1 to 0. Successful down operation. So print 0. Look at it. So second time you are printing 0. And signal S1, signal S2. Signal S1, okay, it becomes 1. Okay, signal S2, okay, already 1 है, 1 के ऊपर फिर से अप ऑपरेशन कर रहा है तो क्या होगा? 1 ही रहेगा. Exactly, 1 के ऊपर अप करे तो 1 ही रहेगा. Next. So after this I am executing P2. So if I execute the P2 next, so then what happens? Wait of S2, it becomes 1 to 0. Successful down operation, signal S1, okay, it becomes 1. So ये दोनों स्टेटमेंट को चला दिया तो P2 एक बार खत्म हो गया. And next, after this, next I am executing P0. Okay, so if I execute P0 now, so wait while true, wait of S0. So look at here. So S0 becomes 1 to 0 and next print 0. Okay, look at here. So third time you are printing 0 and signal S1. Okay, it becomes 1 and signal S2. Okay, it becomes 1. Okay, now look at here. So if I execute in this order, how many times you are printing 0? Okay, 3 times you are printing 0. So 3 times you are printing 0. Just listen here. So 3 times you are printing 0. Now I am asking the question to you. I am asking the question. Is it possible to print a fourth time? Fourth time 0. Is it possible or not possible? देखिए बताओ अच्छे से. Fourth time 0. Possible or not possible? Not possible. Why not possible? Why not possible? Because S0 value is what? 0. S0 value 0. अगर फोर्थ टाइम प्रिंट करना है तो while true, wait of S0, इसको चलाना पड़ेगा. इसको चलाएंगे तो S0 वैल्यू क्या है बताओ? 0. सो 0 के ऊपर डाउन करें तो क्या होगा? सस्पेंड हो जाएगा. So if I execute in this order, how many times you are printing 0? 3 times. Now so let's go with the case 2. Okay, the answer is not just say case 2. So same thing. Okay, S0 value 1. Okay, S2 value 0. Okay, S3 value 0. So I am starting with the okay P0 first. Listen carefully. All your doubts will be clarified. जो आपको डाउट आता है सारे डाउट बताता हूँ पहले सुनो अच्छे से. So first I am starting with the P0. So if I start with the P0, so while true, wait of S0, so it becomes 1 to 0. Successful down operation. So print 0. Okay, look at here. So first time you are printing 0 and the signal S1, signal S2. Okay, it becomes 1. Okay, it becomes 1. And next, so after P0, so now understand here, so in the case 2, after P0, you should get an idea that P1 and P2 are continuously executing. P1 and P2 are continuously executing without giving chance in between for the P0. Without giving chance in between for the P0. In that case, what happens? Listen here. So next I am executing P1 here. So if I execute P1, wait of S1, okay, it becomes 1 to 0. Now signal S0, okay, it becomes 1. देखो ये दोनों स्टेटमेंट को चला दिया एक बार ये खत्म हो गया. Now next I am executing P2. Okay, if I execute P2, wait of S2, it becomes 1 to 0. Signal S0, okay, signal S0, okay, it becomes 1. Okay, look at here. Signal S0, it becomes 1. Now look at it. So both are completed. Both the statements are completed. Now this is completed once. Next, after this, now I am executing P0. So if I execute P0 now, what happens? While true, wait of S0. Okay, look at here. So it becomes 1 to 0. Now print 0. Okay, look at it. Second time you are printing 0. and next signal S1, signal S2. Okay, it becomes 1 and it becomes 1. Now tell me, if I follow the case 2, how many times you are printing 0 here? 2 times you are printing 0. Now it means, now tell me, now okay, in the case 2, is it possible to print the okay 0 third time? Third time 0 print होने का chance है. Third time 0 print होने का chance है. Yes or no? No. Okay. Why? Because what is the S naught value here? 0. Okay. If you want to print one more time, so weight of S naught यहाँ पे successful होना चाहिए. Sorry. S naught value 0 है. So 0 पे down करे तो क्या होगा? Suspend हो जाएगा. So if I go with the case 2, you are printing 2 times. If I going with the case 1, you are printing 3 times. So it means what? Exactly thrice. Exactly thrice. Okay, is a wrong answer because twice is also possible. Exactly thrice. Okay, नहीं हो सकता है क्योंकि twice भी possible है. Exactly twice नहीं हो सकता है क्योंकि thrice भी possible है. You cannot say exactly thrice because twice is also possible. You cannot say exactly twice because thrice is also possible. So what you can say is okay, at least twice. Okay, at least twice. So this is okay, right answer you are having. So at least twice is the right answer. Okay, so is a point clear for everyone? Right. Okay, so check karo how many of you thought in this manner. Okay, so those who thought in this manner, so that is the only right answer. Okay, now I am asking small okay important question here. Okay, okay, if you want to copy, you can pause my video and you can come back to previous minutes and copy that video. Next, now right answer is at least twice, that is clear. Now in the same question, listen carefully. In the same question, this is important, listen here. In the same question, if at least once is also given as an option, अभी तो नहीं है. In the same question, if at least once is also given as an option, then that is a right answer, okay, or wrong answer. In the same question, if at least once is also given, that's a right answer or wrong answer. सोचो अच्छे से, गेसिंग मत करो, जो चाहे वो मत बोलो, जो चाहे वो मत बोलो, गेसिंग मत करो. सोच लिए? राइट. सो एटलीस्ट वंस सही होता गलत होता? हाँ, बहुत लोग बोल रहे हैं सही होता, एटलीस्ट वंस सही होता. राइट. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर. सो एटलीस्ट वंस, ओके, एटलीस्ट वंस सही नहीं होता. ओके, राइट. सो एटलीस्ट वंस कैन नेवर बी द राइट आंसर. ओके, वाई बिकॉज एक बार 0 प्रिंट होने का कोई चांस नहीं है. मिनिमम पक्का कितने बार प्रिंट होगा? 2 टाइम्स प्रिंट होगा. सो एक बार 0 प्रिंट होने का कोई चांस नहीं है. आपको क्या डाउट आता है मुझे पता है, वेट करो. राइट. सो एक बार 0 प्रिंट होने का कोई चांस नहीं है, मिनिमम 2 टाइम्स होगा. ऐसा कैसे होगा? आप लोग सोच रहे हैं सर आप हमेशा P0 से क्यों स्टार्ट करते? अगर आप P1 P2 से करेंगे तब तो एक बार हो सकता है. ओके, इधर सुनो, कर सकते हो. ओके, लिसन हियर. So S naught value, okay, okay, so I'm writing here. Okay, so listen here. So first S naught value 1, S1 value 0, so S2 value 0. So first we are starting with the P1. Okay, you are thinking like this. Okay, पहले P1 से करो. Right, no problem, कर सकते हो. Right, P1 से करेंगे तो क्या होगा? Weight of S1. Now tell me when you say weight of S1, S1 value क्या है बताओ? 0. So on 0 if you perform down operation, what happens? It will be suspended. So S1 का suspended list में, S1 का suspended list में P1 जाएगा. So P1 will go into suspended list. Now remember, P1 is not completed the total execution. P1 is not completed total execution. P1 is having two statements here. We process suspended after first statement. So we are yet to complete the second statement. So now P1 is suspended. Next, now we are taking P2 next. Now if I take the P2 also says what? Weight of S2. So S2 value 0. On 0 if you perform down operation, so that will also suspend. Remember, every semaphore variable will have its own suspended list. Now S2 का suspended list में S2 का सस्पेंडेड लिस्ट में ओके कौन जाएगा बताओ, P2 जाएगा. नाउ P2 सस्पेंडेड हियर, नाउ P1 सस्पेंडेड हियर. So next okay I'm executing P0. If I execute P0 next then what happens? Okay, while true, wait of S0. Okay, look at S0 value becomes 1 to 0. Successful down operation. Now print 0. Look at here. Look at here. So print 0. Print 0. First time you are printing 0. First time you are printing 0. Next after that signal S1. Now tell me, when you say signal S1, S1 suspended list is empty or not empty? Not empty. So not empty है तो क्या होगा, इसको wake up करेंगे. P1 will wake up. Now when P1 will execute, which statement it will execute? Next statement it will execute. ऑलरेडी बताया प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में, जहां पे सस्पेंड हुआ वो स्टेटमेंट को छोड़ के नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट को चलाएगा, नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट को चलाएगा, राइट. सो नाउ लुक एट इट. सो नाउ P1 will execute next statement, okay, when it is scheduled. Now next when you say signal S2, when you say signal S2 का suspend list also not empty, so again P2 will wake up. Now P1 completed total execution. Now P0 completed total execution and P1 P2 or what, wake up हो गया. So when P1 will wake up, it will execute the next statement. Now signal S0 करेगा, so S0 becomes 1. Now P1 completed total 2 statements. Now P1 completed total execution. Now P2 also wake up, P2 will execute also signal S0. Now S0 value becomes 1. Now P2 also completed total execution. Now what is the S1 value now? S0 value 1. Now if I execute P0 again, now tell me what happens. If I execute P0 again, while true, wait of S0, look at here, wait of S0, S0 becomes 1 to 0. Now look at here next, print 0, look at here. So second time you are printing 0, Now signal S1, signal S2. So this becomes now 1, this becomes now 1. Okay, because suspended is empty. Now, okay, now look at here. So how many times you are printing 0 here? 2 times you are printing 0. Now is it possible to print third time? No. Why? S0 value क्या है? 0. S0 value 0. So minimum how many times it will print? 2 times it will print. So that is the reason at least once, okay, can never be the right answer. Okay, so minimum 2 times print होगा ही होगा. Now remember, अभी भी किसी को डाउट होता है, छोटा डाउट है, अभी डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर किसी को अभी भी डाउट है, अभी भी डाउट ये होता है, so why you are executing P0 again? So somebody may have a doubt. Okay, so why you are executing P0 this? If anybody is having this doubt, raise your hands. Okay, now look at it. So many people are having doubt. Okay, why you are executing P0 again? Sir, P0 को क्यों चला रहा है, दोबारा क्यों चला रहा है? If anybody is having that doubt, so what is that doubt? You know, that doubt is called as a cute doubt. So that is called as a cute doubt. Why? Because listen here. So P0 को I am not executing P1. P0 को मैं नहीं चला रहा हूँ. मैं कौन हूँ P0 को चलाने के लिए? P0 अपने आप चलेगा, because it is in the while true. Look at here. While true means what? Infinite loop. While true means infinite loop. I am not executing P0. P0 चलता ही रहेगा. कब तक चलेगा? जब तक यहाँ पे डाउन ऑपरेशन अनसक्सेसफुल नहीं होगा, तब तक P0 आपका चलता ही रहेगा. P0 को मैं नहीं चला रहा हूँ. Is that clear? So it's a infinite loop. While true means infinite loop. P0 चलता ही रहेगा. Is the point clear for everyone? Right? So इसलिए so at least once can never be the right answer. क्योंकि एक बार 0 प्रिंट होने का कोई चांस नहीं है. अगर ये प्रोसेस को चलाएंगे तो मिनिमम 2 times 0 प्रिंट होगा ही होगा. Is that clear for everyone? Okay, so that is the meaning of the question. So right answer is the okay, A is the right answer. So this is how, okay, you need to solve the problem. Okay, so thank you. Okay, I think if it is clear now, so I think now you are having a proper understanding of डाउन एंड अप ऑपरेशंस एंड हाउ इट इज एग्जीक्यूटिंग. डाउन ऑपरेशन क्या होता है, ओके, वेकअप कैसे होगा सस्पेंड लिस्ट में, ये सारे चीज ओके पूरा क्लियर होना चाहिए. ओके, विद दिस ओके प्रॉब्लम्स, विद दिस प्रॉब्लम्स, व्हाट आर द प्रॉब्लम्स वी हैव डन. ओके, सो थैंक यू.